Facebook Marketplace is a free online platform that allows people to buy and sell goods and services in their local communities. Here's how it works. To access Facebook Marketplace, log into your Facebook account and click on the Marketplace icon, which looks like a shopping bag, in the main menu. Browse through the listings in your area by selecting a category, such as electronics, clothing, or household items. Use the search bar to find specific items or sellers. Click on a listing to see more details, including photos, price, location, and seller information. Contact the seller directly through Facebook Messenger to ask questions or negotiate a price. If you're interested in buying an item, arrange to meet the seller in person to complete the transaction. Always exercise caution when meeting strangers and follow safety tips provided by Facebook. Once you've made a purchase, leave feedback for the seller to help build their reputation on Facebook Marketplace. You can also sell your own items on Facebook Marketplace by clicking on the Sell Something button and following the prompts to create a listing. Facebook Marketplace is available on desktop and mobile devices, making it convenient to use wherever you are.